boss, babe. Did you hear that? We were thinking about names to get, and honestly, I was like Glow Gang, like GLOW, and she was like, nah, Boss Babes. So we gonna go with the Boss Babes. So what is poppin', Boss Babes? And if this is your first time here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. All of that. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Today, let us get into this look though. Should I get a close up? Should I come a little closer? So this is a wig review video. Today I am going to review this wig right here. So this wig right now, this is from Eullair, Eullair.com. I'm going to have it on the bottom. This is a 24 body waves. I just gave it some wand curls and I lay my edges with the mousse foam. I do not use Got2b glue on my edges because that's when you start messing with your wig. That's when you start messing it up. So I also went ahead and I bleached the knots to my like and taste. So what I do is I bleached it with, I believe it was 34 developer and some bleach, and I went ahead and laid that on the frontal for about 20 to 25 minutes. People usually do it longer than that. I did it for that amount of time. So yeah, so that's just how it looks. We can get into it. Welcome, Boss Babes. Welcome, Boss Babes. Hey, that's gonna be the new intro. How do y'all like that? I really just thought about that. Yeah, I really messed with that. So so this is that. Like, it honestly is super, you know, if you can't do this, then I don't know what to tell you. Which, if you can't do that with your wig, then I don't know what to tell you. With your bundles, anything that you got, don't know what to tell you. This is really nice. Like, I really love it. So I could curl this, of course, which I have done, or I could straighten it. And usually when I'm straightening my wigs, I always like to get my hairs in body waves, because when you buy the wig straight already off jump, it's gonna be flat. So make sure when you are trying to straighten your wigs, you get the body waves and then you straighten it, because that and only then is when your wigs will be full. That is a pro tip to the Boss Babes. Let me give you guys a little story time about how I got this name. So me and my bestie were on the phone and she was just like, I was thinking about Glow Gang, and she was like, nah, Boss Babes. Why? Why Boss Babes? I'm not a boss yet, but I'm getting there. She said, girl, you graduated, you're on your grind, you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. So yes, you are a boss babe. It's all about manifestation. It's all about manifesting the life that you want. So that is what I am doing. So I'm obsessed with this wig, number one. All of my wigs are from Eullair. Very poppin' wigs. Love their wigs. And this is a 24-inch. So it did have a minimal shedding. Obviously, you gotta know how to pluck your wigs, you gotta know how to bleach it, and you gotta know how to style it. So in order for your hair to lay and be slayed, you definitely gotta know all three of those things, because you could buy this wig and this is not how this wig was when I took it out the baggie. This is definitely not how this wig looked. So I did a lot of customization and all of that to this wig in order to get it like this. So don't just take the wig out of the bag and think like, oh, it's gonna look just like that. No, it's not. You gotta pluck it. As I said, you gotta style it. You gotta lay your baby hairs. You gotta do all of that. So yeah, let me know how you guys like this. And here's just a little. Okay, and I'm sure you guys are wondering where I got this fit from. Like, let's get into this little cozy fit. What y'all think? I fuck with this fit. This is some shorts, actually. Like, these are some shorts. It's some cozy shorts, you know. If you want your little, you know what I'm talking about, girls. That knows what I'm talking about. So this is a poppin' fit. You could wear this at home, stay comfy, or just like a little chill, sip and drink type daytime look, anything that you want, nighttime look. It's really cute. If I ever wanted to dress this up, not saying that I would, but if I ever wanted to, you definitely could. Like, I like to be spontaneous with my fits, so Dress it up. You can wear heels if you want, or obviously it's a sneaker look or an UGG slides look. That's all up to you. You could jewelerize it, you know, do all that you need to make the look poppin'. So yeah, this is that. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for your girl. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And shout out to all my boss babes out there getting it on the grind and doing that. Yeah. Bye, boss babes.